Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Get ready for something very exciting. Our very first virtual retreat, Enjoy This Life, is coming your way on September 14th and the 15th. It's a 2-day free event. It'll be right here on the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel. That's right, mark your calendars because it's going to be a 2-day free event filled with creativity and fun. And guess what, guys? We've got an exclusive kit designed just for the retreat. You can pre-order your kit now and secure yours and enjoy some fantastic early bird bonuses. If you reserve your kit by May 31st, not only will you lock in the early bird price, but you'll also receive a free 6x6 Fall Life Plaids paper pad. So I'm going to show you what the paper pad is that you're going to get for free if you pre-order before May 31st. Is that lineup of instructors amazing or what? We've got Call Me Crafty Al, Bourbon Creek Crafts, Carrie Rhodes, Cassie Trask, Lauren Taylor Made, Letty from Party Planner Paperie, LV Handcrafted, and myself. So let's take a closer look at what comes in your kit. So the retreat's going to be split up into 2 days. You'll be able to chat along with us. We're going to have the live chat feature going so you can chat along with all the instructors. There'll be 8 wonderful instructors using this kit, teaching various techniques and projects. It's going to be so much fun. I will be doing a class as well. So in your kit, you're going to get this standalone word die. It says, Enjoy This Life. Here's a little sample on the back of what it looks like. You're going to get the sparkling enamel dots, and this coordinates beautifully with all the paper and the ephemera. This is just going to add a touch of sparkle to your projects. So let's take a look at the Fall Life paper pad. This is gorgeous. We've got florals and all these beautiful like fall colors. This like plum color. There's like a peach color. This beautiful olive green, purple. But the purple's like, it's like a pink tone purple. It's very, very beautiful. And just what a lovely paper pad this is. So you can pre-order this kit right now. All you have to do is register. The link to register for the event will be in the description box. Once you register, you're going to get an email right away giving you the early bird bonus coupon code. So you can use that code to pre-order your kits at the early bird price. I'm going to flip through this really quickly so you can get a taste of the beautiful collection. Gorgeous papers in here. Our paper is very high quality. It's nice and thick, beautiful printing. You're just going to love it. We've got the coordinating ephemera, which is gorgeous. These designs are just so precious. We've got these girls dressed up in fall outfits. I'm going to just spread this all out so you could get a better look at what comes in this ephemera pack. Beautiful images. And then we've got the girls in different skin tones and hair colors. And then we have another style. We've got her in glasses and a different outfit. Her hair is up in a bun. I just love her. She's so cute. There's some cute little critter characters in here. Isn't that darling? The Enjoy This Life. So cute. All right, so you're going to see some sample projects coming up. throughout the months leading up to the event. There's a cool door. You'll see some project samples from the instructors, so make sure you subscribe to their channels. I will have everything linked in the YouTube description box for you. If you don't see our email after you register, be sure to check your spam folder and look for it there. And then make sure you mark Not Too Shabby as not spam. That way the rest of the emails will land in your inbox. You're going to want to get those emails. There'll be a series of emails introducing each instructor, other details for the event. This cute owl. This is your early bird bonus. You'll get this Fall Life Plaids 6x6 paper pad for free when you pre-order before May 31st. So you'll get this in your kit. It will be available later on for purchase. After the early bird special ends, you'll be able to purchase this to add on to your kit. But if you do purchase before May 31st, you'll get this for free. So it's got all these wonderful plaids and all these yummy colors in here. This will complement all your products in this kit so nicely. We've got a perfectly plaid 6x6 stencil. So you can color, use all your inks, your pastes, and have fun with that stencil. We've got a 6x6 stamp set. This is called Fall Life, and it has all these super adorable fall icons, a cute little fox. Look at that sweater. You can stamp in the sentiment fall on your sweater with the little heart. You could also stamp in Hello Fall on your sweater, or like a stamp in a leaf and decorate your sweater. We've got a pie, we've got pumpkins, we've got an apple, we've got some coffee drinks. That one could be a pumpkin spice latte. We've got a candle, a mushroom, a cupcake. We've got this beautiful cluster here with some florals that will go nicely with the paper pad. We've got that cute fox. And the sentiments read, "Find joy in the simple pleasures. Hello fall. Fall is in the air. Happy fall, y'all. Give thanks and autumn blessings." You do have the option to add the coordinating die set to your kit. So there'll be a little drop-down menu that says, yes, I want to add the die, or no, I do not want to add the die. So you can get the kit either way. So these are the beautiful products in your kit. You will get this kit shipped to you in time for the retreat. So I'm expecting to ship this late August or early September. So plenty of time for you to get your hands on the kit so you could start crafting along with us during the retreat. And that is going to be so much fun, guys. And I can't wait to talk to you in the chat. Oh, and did I mention the giveaway? So at the end of the retreat, one lucky participant will win an incredible bundle of products worth $150. So what are you waiting for? Register now to secure your spot and pre-order your exclusive retreat kit. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to connect, create, and enjoy this life together. We can't wait to see you there. Until then, happy crafting, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys. This event was organized by LV Handcrafted. Need to organize an event? Contact LV Handcrafted here on YouTube.